In this video, I'll talk about dogs with cancer that don't show symptoms, 3 natural but powerful healing solutions, and later, the right diet for dogs with cancer. Hi, I'm Dan Scott, Canine Nutrition and Home Remedies Specialist. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button below to stay in touch with all the latest videos that I do. And feel free to comment or ask questions below. So your dog has cancer but acts fine, and you want to help them with some powerful but natural healing solutions before your dog starts showing any signs. And with this in mind, here's 3 powerful natural healing solutions to start your dog on right away. Number 1 is cannabis oil, an age-old medicinal treatment that's very powerful. It contains compounds called cannabinoids such as cannabinol and cannabidiol, or CBD. And CBD is non-psychoactive, which does not affect mood, while THC is the psychoactive compound. Cannabis oil has long been used for effective pain relief and the healing of many ailments, as it boosts immune system health to effect faster healing. Studies conclude that the treatment of cancer in dogs with CBD and THC oil is effective. Published studies show that THC causes the death of brain cancer cells in mice, and CBD has been shown to slow or stop tumour growth in people. Clinical studies with THC and CBD are minimal because the big money is behind conventional chemotherapy and radiation treatments. However, from my own research and practice, I've seen good results from using CBD oil where skin tumours have visibly shrunk. I've also researched the use of THC where it's legal, and the treatment of dogs with various cancers has been successful in many cases, with the administration of THC oil causing full remission of various cancers within 60 days. Because a dog's metabolism is so much faster than a human's, its response to treatment is also faster, and the THC and CBD oil has boosted the dog's immune system to effect a healing quickly. So cannabis is an effective natural cancer treatment. CBD is effective at halting certain cancer growth and is great for pain management and widely available. THC oil has shown to be highly effective at killing various cancers quickly in dogs, works well for pain management, but is highly regulated and not available in most countries. And number 2 is turmeric root, a member of the ginger family and well known for its culinary uses. It's a powerful medicinal herb that has been heavily researched for many years and found to provide powerful anti-cancer properties with literally hundreds of simultaneous medicinal side benefits. The primary and beneficial bioactive ingredient of turmeric is curcumin. So while it acts as a spice in cooking, it's also a great pain reliever, making it a great food additive for dogs in pain from illness. Turmeric has been proven to fight multi-drug resistant cancers, and it's anti-tumour. Turmeric has well over 6,000 scientific studies under its belt and is now believed to be the better option than anti-inflammatory drugs, chemotherapy, steroids, arthritis drugs and inflammatory bowel disease drugs. There have been some very promising studies conducted in the last few years in the area of cancer and the effects of curcumin on cancer cells. Unlike chemotherapy treatment that kills all cells indiscriminately, curcumin has been found to target just the cancer stem cells. Curcumin has shown to reduce metastasis, decrease cancer cell growth, and even induce what's known as apoptosis, whereby the cancer cell destroys itself, which is great news. Australian veterinarian Dr. Doug English gets great results with a turmeric recipe he developed called golden paste. By combining the turmeric powder with black pepper or coconut oil or olive oil, its overall effectiveness is increased. Here's the recipe. The golden paste ingredients are as follows. Half a cup of organic turmeric powder. Organic turmeric powder is best as it contains lots of curcumin. 1 cup of filtered water. 1½ teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. Grind organic black peppercorns in a coffee grinder, a magic bullet or hand grind with a pestle and mortar. You can also buy pre-ground peppercorns, but fresh ground is best. 1/4 cup of organic cold-pressed virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great choice with many health benefits. And here's the golden paste directions. Mix the turmeric with the water in a pan. Start with 1 cup of water and add more only if needed. Stir the liquid on a medium to low heat, and in about 7 to 10 minutes it should form a thick paste. If your paste looks a little watery, just add a bit more turmeric and heat it for another couple of minutes. Once you've got a paste, add the pepper and the oil, then stir it very well. Allow the mixture to cool and then place it in a jar with a lid and store it in your fridge. Ideally, you should store the paste for no more than 2 weeks. After that, you'll want to make a fresh batch. You'll know from making up the first batch how much of each ingredient is needed for your dog's size, and for a second batch to last 2 weeks. You can add the golden paste directly to your dog's meals by mixing it in with some water or yogurt. Most dogs seem to like the taste. Give a 1/4 teaspoon to small dogs daily, give a 1/2 teaspoon to medium dogs daily, and give 1 teaspoon to large dogs daily. It's also best fed in smaller amounts over several meals each day for better absorption. So if you feed 2 meals a day and you have a small dog, just add a 1/8 of a teaspoon in each meal. Turmeric is safe. However, if your dog has a pre-existing condition with medications, seek your vet's advice. You'll find links to all the ingredients in this recipe in the description below. And number 3 is to feed your dog a raw food diet. Feeding a diet of raw meats and offal and a little vegetable matter is the best way to prevent disease in your dog, and certainly a much needed diet if your dog is already compromised by an acute disease such as cancer. Rather than a dog with cancer trying to process a carbohydrate-based kibble diet, because carbohydrates feed cancer, the dog's system can send wholesome nutrients proficiently throughout the body and maintain a natural balance. And this provides the help needed to stop cancer in its tracks and begin to treat this serious disease. Conventional cancer treatment means possible surgery to remove a cancer and the use of chemicals and radiation. And the treatments are harsh and often end up killing the patient as recovery rates are low. So instead of chemically treating a dog that's already in a compromised state, better to give the dog the nutritional advantage to boost its immune system to fight off the cancer. This means the dog has improved quality of life, lives longer, and the cancer can be more easily controlled. Extending a dog's lifespan and treating the symptoms of canine cancer can be as simple as starting your dog on a fresh food diet, cannabis oil and turmeric. This creates a strong foundational treatment plan. It's never too late to start a dog of any age on a more natural diet, regardless of their present health condition, whether that's boosting your dog's kibble diet, home cooking their food, or using a raw food diet to prevent or heal a cancer. And I'll leave a link to a video in the description below explaining more about the healthy kibble diet, home cooked and raw food diets. As many dog owners have come to find, a number of canine health issues, including cancer, will see marked improvement or all out disappear over time if starting one of these 3 diets. And this not only provides relief for the dog and yourself, it's quite a relief on your pocketbook as well, as healthcare costs are much reduced. I also highly recommend you start your dog on a quality choice of CBD oil, as it's well established scientifically that CBD can halter cancer's progression while your dog's boosted immune system from a fresh food diet goes to work on ridding itself of the disease. And you'll find a link in the description below to my favourite choice of CBD oil. And if you found this video useful, please remember to like it, share it with friends and subscribe so you'll always be up to date on all the latest videos that I do. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye for now.